Hello, my name is Anay Deshpande and this is my project for WindMill, Anticipatory Techniques in Wireless Network Optimization. My supervisor is Professor Andrea Zanella and from University of Padua. So a small background information about myself. I completed my bachelor's in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Vellore Institute of Technology, India. Following that, I completed my master's in Information and Communication Engineering from TU Darmstadt, Germany. During this, my primary research interests were in wireless communication, statistical machine learning, network prediction techniques, and network optimization techniques. So, getting into the motivation for the project itself, my in the future wireless networks, there will be a lot of devices which will be actually incorporated in the network, as well as different types of devices which will require different types of user, which will have different types of requirements. So in the example, as you can see, there are different kinds of cars in the network. There are independent small mobile phones, user equipments, and small cells, femto cells, 5G Wi-Fi routers, etc. So each of these user equipments have different kinds of requirement. So to satisfy these requirements, it is necessary for the system need to predict and exploit information regarding such users and devices in the network present in the network. To predict such information, it is necessary to take into account different wireless network factors such as node mobility, channel quality, channel existence durations. To predict this information about the wireless networks, machine learning is a very important tool in this case, which can be used to devise prediction mechanisms and then optimize the network accordingly. So the objectives of the project are design anticipatory or prediction schemes to predict information regarding the devices in the network by the use of machine learning. Following that, simulate these wireless network scenarios in an environment and see the performance of the prediction algorithms designed. Following that, devise optimization schemes based on such predictions. So, as a small preliminary results about the project, we worked on a stochastic multipath routing project, which devised reliable routes for UAVs using the information about the mobility of the UAVs. UAVs basically are unmanned aerial vehicles which can be used for tracking and monitoring applications. So as you can see from the graph, the standard distance-based algorithms show very small improvement, while just an initial routing protocol, they actually perform pretty good in terms of reliability or packet delivery ratio, which is actually devoted on the y-axis, and the x-axis basically denotes the spread of the UAVs in the network. So our system basically performs pretty well compared to the current distance-based algorithms that are used. So the expected outcomes of the project are designing prediction schemes using different kinds of wireless network characteristics such as mobility, with the use of machine learning techniques such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Following that, devising optimization schemes using such predictions so as to optimize routings or to maximize data rates or minimizing delays in different applications. Thank you for listening to me.